Kansas farmers are tasked with keeping the food supply high during a global pandemic. KSNT News Capitol Bureau reporter Alec Gartner shows us what agriculture officials are saying needs to be done to keep up with the demand.
Meat processing plants in the state have been hit hard by coronavirus outbreaks. Now industry leaders are working hard to prevent the virus from spreading again. Because of the pandemic, hundreds of farmers and ag officials are meeting virtually at the State Department of Agriculture's largest event, the Ag Growth Summit. Industry leaders are sharing how they're promoting masks, putting barriers between workers, and trying to prevent people from gathering in large groups.
We continue to learn. So, what is the active role of a mask and a face shield? What is, we talked about the barriers. What can we do different? How do we make sure we're looking at traffic patterns? We continue to challenge ourselves. Where we're at today is not good enough, and we're going to keep challenging ourselves as we move forward.
Department of Health and Environment Secretary Lee Norman also attended the meeting. He says businesses should work with community leaders to emphasize that employees need to be safe outside of the workplace.
To the degree that we can push down in the infectivity in communities and push down the number of cases in communities, your businesses are going to benefit from that.
Norman says the spread of the virus will get worse as we enter the fall and winter. So agriculture officials are trying to be prepared so production doesn't have to slow down.
What's the next wave look like in this? We've learned some things, people have installed practices, but it's not over. We can't let our guard down.
The summit will conclude on Thursday when farmers and industry officials hear from Governor Kelly, as well as a USDA official about national issues. Reporting at the Capitol, I'm Alec Gartner.